For the quadcopters, propeller balancing is must because if it is not maintained this left and right both the side the balance weight balance, then it will generate a vibration at the time of operation. So this leads a unstable flying of quadcopter. So today we will see how to balance this quadcopter weight balancing. So in a market already readily available tools are there. So using this tool we can balance this quadcopter, but I will show you today a very much cost effective method to do that one. So to make the tool I'm using here a 2.5 nut and bolt of a length of around 2 inch. So this is the 2.5 bolt with the nut, then one suitable washer I'm using, then I'm using here a cello pinpoint pen, its front portion, this. So this is the tools which is required. Then we will take a propeller which is to be balanced, and then it must have the inner washer which is suitable for your BLDC motor. So this we will fix into this. First what we'll do, let the nut will be somewhere in the middle, then put a washer and put your propeller. Then here at the first time I have used it without this propeller. Simply from back side I started threading like this. So it is a plastic material. With the help of screws which are available in the bolt, we started making the threads in this tip. So first time you may have to do this carefully. So maintain the horizontal level when you do this, then let it go for some distance, then remove this. Then now your tool is ready. So nut is there, washer, then put your propeller and then put in this direction so that this conical shape should enter to the inner dia, so that finally it will be maintained in the center position. So let tight this one full. See, the moment it starts tightening, you can see automatically it will balance here as a center position. Now firmly you tight this. Now it is firmly tighted. Now we have this much area extra and then this much area extra. Now this bolt we have to suspend in a two parallel and then leveled some of the surface, so that this it should be freely suspended. So for that I'm using glass. And then suspend this in the middle of the glass like this. First time hold in a horizontal position, then leave. You can see one side of the propeller will go down and then other side of the propeller will come up. That means whichever the side is having higher the mass, it will go down. So opposite it will come up. So now we have to balance this one. So for that one there is a two method. Either you remove the extra weight from the bottom side, or you add extra weight in the top side. So both the way it will work. If you are planning to remove the extra weight here, you may have to use a sandpaper to remove the extra material here, but here I'm using a plan B, means I'll add extra weight on the weight where it is required more. Then if you see from the top surface, this is the top of the propeller. So whatever the extra weight you will add, put it here in the bottom side of the propeller. To add the weight here, you can use either electrical tape. I'm using here paper tape. So we will add a paper tape. Take little extra length. Then add to this. Now you can see extra weight I added. Now again let it suspend on the platform. Now you can see that after adding that weight, it started little extra oscillation. Now still other side is more weight, so we will add extra more paper. Now we added extra weight, again we will suspend. Now you can see which side the paper is added, it has more weight than the earlier. So now again extra weight is there, so other side we will cut it, so that finally we can balance weight both the side. So here we have to remove extra weight. So what we can do, little extra paper, we will cut this. Now some more weight we have to remove. This process will take more iteration until you get a proper weight on the both the side. So let us cut some more extra weight. One more iteration to remove extra weight. The third or fourth iteration, you may have to remove very less amount of weight. Now you can see it started balancing. We will wait and see. Or else you can stop slightly. Now you can see still some more extra weight is there. We will take a little more. A very small amount of paper we may have to remove. Now you can see this almost weight is balanced. So this process will take little longer time, but you may have to wait so that you will get a very good result. I'll stop this oscillation slightly. Now we can see almost it is parallel to the surface. That means almost it is weight balanced. Okay guys, using this method you may have to balance all 4 propellers. All propellers may not come with the same weight difference, so depending on the weight difference you may have to add extra weights wherever it is required. After complete balancing of your propeller, you can see here there is some little extra portion of this plastic. So this also you may have to remove. For this also you can use either sandpaper, scrubby, or else I am using here knife. Using a knife, slightly we can remove. You can see this extra. Just try to remove this. While removing this carefully, you should not remove excess also. Only the thing that surface we require a smooth surface, that's it. Now you can see a little more. Now you can see almost up. So in this way you can balance the propeller. Then use it, you will get very good result in your propeller stability. Thank you. Thanks for watching.